In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, how have you been? I am hopefully that you are doing well and you are fantastic by the grace of Allah Almighty. So, welcome on this my channel, my thought. I am Muhammad Salman. So today I will describe this topic about the listening. As you know that today topic about the listening, how can you improve your listening skills? So it is very common question because we don't know about the listening skills. We can speak, we can read, but we can listen anyways. So it is very difficult for listening like that. If we are using mobile phone, if sometimes we may call with abroad country people, so we feel difficulty if in this because we don't know about the pronunciation, about that pronunciation. I know it is difficult pronunciation like that. American pronunciation, British and others, Asians pronunciation is different to each other. So that is the reason we feel difficulty of this sentence. And other thing is we don't know about the correct pronunciation of this of that word which is using in the daily life. So that is the reason. So today I will teach about the pronunciation, and listening skills, how can you improve. So first of all, I have 5 steps, I have 5 tips for improve your pronunciation. So like and subscribe to my channel if you want to improve your listening skill. I am hopefully that after watch this video you will be able to listen any pronunciation, any abroad pronunciation, you will be able to. So like and subscribe. And number one, practice natural pronunciation. So as you know that first step is the pronunciation. We feel difficulty about the pronunciation, we cannot understand, we feel difficulty for understanding the pronunciation. What is the pronunciation of that, but how can we produce. So it is the very best, it is the very common mistake in our life, in our society. We don't know about the best pronunciation of that word. Where can we use this word? So here are few suggestions for you, here are few problems, solving problem for you. Like that, you have to focus of the intonations and contraction. Yesterday I described the contraction. So in the speaking skills, in the speaking, mostly we use about the contraction. Like that, immediately we feel, immediately when we speak, we use a contraction. So like that, don't is best do not, but we speak don't. In the immediately, here are different contraction, like that would not, different word not. And you are to focus of the contraction. So other is a sentence stress. Where is using sentence stress, where is the syllabus of this sentence, how can we produce that sentence in the life, in the daily life. So you are to focus on the sentence stress and the contraction. And other thing is the intonation, how is the intonation of that word, how is using this word, how is producing this word. So we have to practice of this pronunciation, so easily we can improve. Other thing is different websites, different apps, we can improve pronunciation. Like that, we read the we write the article on the app. They speak, they tell about the pronunciation. So this is best. I know about the pronunciation, how can you improve, because I have experience about that, because I am a student of English. So that is the reason I know about the pronunciation, because I have read one book for your pronunciation. So phonetics and phonology. So it is the very best. After few days I will capture a video about the pronunciation. So there are the pronunciation is a very large topic. There is a not a short, that is a large topic. So I will capture it about the pronunciation. So there are different kind of pronunciation, so then I will teach. And second step is read and listen together. When you are for example, if you are studying in the room, so if you are feeling any difficulty in the pronunciation or in the listening skills, so first you are to listen, you are to write a word on, you are to write a word on the app. There are different apps like that, grammars, Googles, and I said before you, there are different apps for your improve your English language. So you have to write the word on the app. So immediately they will teach about the pronunciation, about the listening, so that you can improve your listening skill. What is the pronunciation of this word? How can we improve pronunciation? So other thing is in the social media we can improve our listening skills, like that. If you can improve listening skills due to film, due to any others channels, they teach about, they upload a broadcast, they upload a English video. So their third step is listen different accent, voice and context. So then you can improve your listening skill. So you can listen easily if you will focus of the accent. So accent is the very best way when one person is using accent. They in the one sentence they are using different accent. So that is the reason we can improve, we can listen, we can understand. So how can we use that sentence where we can use. So it is the very best. And voices, we can improve easily because voices nowadays we are using social media. We can improve easily like that. We send texts, we send voices one friend to others friends. And on the internet we listen different videos about there are different pronunciation. So and other thing is context. When we write any context, easily we can listen pronunciation very well without any wasting time. Because in the modern era, if you want to improve any pronunciation, so you have to write on the apps, though they will teach, it will teach about the pronunciation, about the tone, about the voices, about the accents. So what is the pronunciation, where can we use that word. So it is the very best way for your. Fourth step is write what you listens. For example, if you are watching any video, if you are watching any news on the social media, so you have to write on the notebook first. Then you have to check where is mistake, what is the pronunciation of that word. So it is the very best way for your improve your listening skills. So then you have to recall every day about the pronunciation. What is the pronunciation of that word? You have to practice every day. Without practice, I am saying again, without practice you cannot improve anything. If you want to learn any if you want to improve any language, if you want to learn about anything, without practice you cannot improve. First you have to practice about that. Like that, if you are watching any news, so you have to write a word on the notebook. So then you can improve your listening skills. Last step is watch without subtitle. Because mostly on the social media, when any person upload a video with subtitle, because it make helpful for you, for your understanding, for your getting point. But if you want your listening skills, if you want to improve your listening skills, you have to watch the video without subtitle. Because when you will listen subtitles so easily, you cannot listen, you will not focus on the pronunciation. When you will turn off the video of subtitle, so first you have to listen the video, and after complete this video you are to watch again with subtitle. Then you have to you have to turn on the subtitle video, so then you have to listen where I make mistake, what is the pronunciation of that, what I get this, what did I get. So that is the thing. If you will focus of that step, so easily you can improve your listening skill. Without listening skills you cannot improve, because other thing is in the modern era, there is a different speaker of English language on daily basis. You have to listen, different pronunciation, different videos on the other thing is films you can watch in the English language, so you can improve your listening skills. So first you have to increase your listening skills, other than you will focus about the speaking.